Hey and welcome to the Wealth Machine. Please subscribe and like the video if you want to learn more about business. Thank you. Now let's get into the video. Today we are going to talk about 5 online business models to start in 2022. With so many business opportunities and ultimate guides available, deciding which one to pursue can be difficult. It's understandable because you don't want to take too many chances. We did some research and whittled it down to just 5 online business ideas. 1. Build an e-commerce store. Even though e-commerce has been around for nearly 4 decades, there has never been a better time to open an online store than now. According to the report, The Future of Retail 2019, 1/3 of U.S. consumers, 32%, now receive 1 or more Amazon packages per week. Meanwhile, 10% of Amazon customers receive 3 or more packages per week. It's probably safe to say that people's reliance on Amazon makes them feel more at ease with online shopping in general. According to the same report, 46% of consumers are more willing to buy a big-ticket item like a car or a grill online than they were a year ago. Once you've decided on your product categories, choose an e-commerce platform, BigCommerce, Magento, Shopify, WooCommerce, and so on. Now create your online store and begin driving traffic to it. You can also begin selling on online marketplaces such as Amazon, eBay, and Etsy. While e-commerce provides all 3 of the previously discussed online business benefits, you should keep in mind that online commerce profit margins can be thin for certain types of products. 2. Start dropshipping. Dropshipping is an online fulfillment method that allows you to sell physical goods without maintaining your own inventory. So how does it work? On your e-commerce website, a customer orders a product. You pass the order on to the manufacturer. The product is then shipped directly to the customer by the manufacturer. Dropshipping is an appealing option for those who want to get into e-commerce without taking on the financial risk of stocking inventory. So it's no surprise that the dropshipping market is expanding. The revenue estimate for 2025 is $557.9 billion. Although dropshipping is appealing, it does have some drawbacks. These include, among other things, low profit margins, slow shipping speeds, and a lack of control over the supply chain. 3. Sign up as an affiliate. If you want to start an online business but don't want to create your own products, consider affiliate marketing. It's a well-known method of making money online. Brands' annual affiliate marketing spending is estimated to be $12 billion, according to SaaS Scout. The figure is expected to rise by 10% over the next few years. This is how affiliate marketing works. First, join an affiliate program. Then, choose another person's product to promote to your target audience. This can be any digital or physical product, ebook, online course, app, etc. You are then compensated for each sale generated by your referral link. You can promote affiliate products on your blog by creating SEO content centered on relevant keywords and then optimizing it for organic Google traffic. You can also promote affiliate products on social media. When done correctly, affiliate marketing can be extremely profitable. Adam and Froy, for example, earned $812,718 in 2020. Affiliate marketing generated a passive income of $601,698. Allowing your affiliate partners to host webinars for your audience is another way to promote affiliate products to your email list subscribers. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic business model with a very low startup cost. You only have to pay for a domain name, web hosting, and email marketing software upfront. Having said that, successful online businesses that begin by selling affiliate products eventually release their own products. That way, you can make a lot more money with the same amount of traffic. 4. Provide website design services. Through e-learning platforms and experimentation, you can learn the fundamentals of web design. Then, to begin attracting clients, create a portfolio website. Alternatively, you can sign up for a freelance marketplace such as Upwork or 99 Designs. You don't have to be a full-time freelancer, but you can do web design as a side hustle. However, freelancing can be difficult at times. While you benefit from location independence and a flexible schedule, your income and financial stability are less predictable at first. So, before you go all in, set up an emergency fund. That being said, once you've mastered web design, you can branch out into creating and selling your own products, e.g. WordPress templates. This can help to alleviate financial insecurity. 5. Start a blog that is worth reading. Do you have a natural talent for writing? Then blogging could be a viable online business option to consider. While having a blog is not in and of itself a business model, it does allow you to build an audience. You can sell your own products or services, promote affiliate products, run sponsored campaigns with brands, and so on once you have an audience. Popular bloggers are also given speaking engagements and book deals. That's it for this video. Please subscribe and like the video to learn more about business. Thanks for watching The Wealth Machine. Take care.